this is Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about BXF scam, not a genuine vendor. BXF is a website that is hardly 3 months old at the time of making this post public. This platform sells almost all kinds of wreaths and a few attractive home decor items. The offerings might capture your attention pretty quickly, but do keep in mind that more than 30% of the website contains stolen images, and that is not a good thing by any means. Owners of this platform have deliberately chosen to remain hidden, and the office address they showcase is also virtual one. In other words, they act just like a shady firm, and their way of doing business tells us a lot about them. Online shopping is something that has taken over our lives for the better. However, before you decide to purchase from any new platform, you should be aware of entirely of the situation. So to know more about this firm and the peculiar characteristics, stay with us till the end. Now, who owns BXF platform? Digital world and transparency is something that pretty much goes hand in hand. People always prefer to buy from firms that are open with them. Surprisingly, BXF mentions a few interesting things in their bio and reveals a bit of information. Things like owner's office address and registration number are showcased. Any average interest user would take this information for granted and proceed with them. But that is not the way we work. After running a few tests, we found that it is impossible to verify the owner's identity. Plus, the address shown by them is also a virtual one. Simply put, they appear to be a misleading people and are trying their best to pose like a big e-commerce company. Ask yourself, do you want to purchase from a new platform that bluffs about their whereabouts? The only way to win business is to give utmost importance to customers. Firm needs to adapt to the needs of the users and make customers sure that the whole experience is something to cherish. Fraudulent firms usually do not care about the things mentioned, but they do put up a lot of convincing narratives. BXF talk about their strengths and the importance they give to users on their website. However, the existing infrastructure says otherwise. If people face problems or issues, then the only way to contact staff is by email. Note that even the email address appears questionable and it does not belong to the parent domain. Moreover, the address is a virtual one. Though they say that the response time is 24 hours, there is no way to verify that piece of information as well. Bottom line is that you should not expect any decent service from them. After all, if they were serious about building their brand, then they certainly would not operate in this manner, right? To know about the email address and the address, you can visit our official website. Now, what items they sell? Wreaths, garden decor and home decor items are available on this platform. From the moment you land on the website, few images might appear familiar. While the items might appear genuine, know that there is hidden catch involved. First of all, a lot of images used by them are stolen from Etsy creators. Plagiarism level present is high and the prices charged by them are way too competitive. The 50% discount might make your head spin, but think of for a moment, isn't it good to be true? Moreover, there is no negative review or rating present on any of their web pages. Also, the traffic data is hard to find. At the end of the day, trusting them is a bad choice. As dangers are present literally at every turn, be very cautious even if you're just surfing through their interface. Refund and exchange policy of the platform is twisted to say the least. Generous period of 180 days is offered for returns. However, the associated terms and conditions are way too much and the process itself is poorly covered. The standard conditions such as no wear and tear on the item are justifiable, but the return shipping costs are laid on the customers, plus they have the final say in any matter and at moment's notice, policies can be rewarded. By chance, if they do honor the refund claim, then it might take up to 180 days to get your money back. Obviously, the time required by them is way too much and at the end of the day, nothing about them instills trust. If you have faced any financial damage because of them, then do get in touch with us via the form on our official website. We will show you the way to dispute a transaction and utilize banking laws to your advantage. The best part is all of our services are free and we won't stop until all the scams are put out of business. Shipping charges are capped at roughly $7 for orders below $59. If the order amount is over the threshold amount, then free shipping is apparently provided. According to the data on the website, they process the orders within 2 days and shipping typically might take between 4 to 6 weeks. Needless to say, the time taken by them is way above the average in the sector and the tracking mechanics is also not decent. Note that they do not cater to over a dozen countries and the list containing the name is present on their platform. On top of paying for the items, there might be additional charges present. This is a question which reveals a lot about this shady entity. BX worth is a term that is not found on many forums or social media platforms. The user feedback is hard to find and the available ones are impossible to verify. Given the fact that his website is literally 3 months old, there is no way to make any assumption based on the current metrics. If you see positive comments about them, then take it with a sack of salt and never be daring enough to trust them with your banking information. Remember, they have a low trust score and plagiarist content, which means they are not trustworthy. Is BX worth a scam? Most probably yes. But only time can reveal the end result. BX Worth is facing a lot of hate due to the way they are structured. The corporate content did not do them any good and the policies worsened their image. With no clear resolution in sight, we urge all our readers to stay away from them. In case you have already suffered financially by using their platform, then feel free to reach out to us. We will guide you through the chargeback process and the formalities for free. BX Worth is an anonymous platform that features all the signs of a scam. Too good to be true prices, unclear policies, hidden charges and clauses are present. As the odds and risk are stacked against the end consumer, it is better not to get involved with them. What do you think about BX Worth scam? Share your thoughts on our official website. Thank you.